If you're experiencing lag spikes in Rocket League, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to optimize your connection and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it provides a more reliable and faster connection. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Rocket League, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up bandwidth and processing power, reducing the chances of lag. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to improve performance. Reducing settings like shadows and effects can help your system run the game more smoothly, which may reduce lag. Step 4. Change server region. In the game settings, check your server region. Connecting to a server closer to your location can decrease latency and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Visit your device manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers, as updates can improve your connection stability and performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Rocket League experience with fewer lag spikes. Happy gaming!